Becky's grandmother was twice her mother's age at the time Becky was born. If her grandmother's present age is G years and her mother's current age is M years, how old is Becky? And we are given 4 options and you have to choose the correct option. Now, this is a word problem where, there are no numbers, there are just symbols, and sometimes to some students it might seem a little bit daunting. But the ideal way to go about these is to keep your head cool and just work the problem line by line. In this kind of problems, you often start with a placeholder for the variable that we are asked to find. In this case, it's Becky's age. And let's assume that Becky's current age is B years. So, what was Becky's grandmother's age at the time Becky was born? Well, we know that the grandmother's current age is G years. So at the time Becky was born, which is B years ago, because Becky's current age is B years. So Becky must have been born B years ago. So grandma's age would have been G minus B, because grandma's current age is G years. So B years ago, her age was G minus B. And the same way, Becky's mother's age at the time Becky was born was M minus B. Now, the first line of the word problem basically states the relationship between these two quantities. It states that Becky's grandmother's age at the time Becky was born, which is G minus B, was twice her mother's age at that time. So G minus B is equal to 2 times M minus B. So now we have to solve this equation and get an expression for Becky's age B in terms of grandma's age G and her mother's age M. So we can simplify a little bit the right hand side, 2m minus 2b. Now we can take the negative 2b over to the left hand side. So it becomes positive 2b because change the sign as we change sides. And we can take the g over to the right hand side, so it becomes negative g. So now we are left with 2b minus b on the left hand side and 2m minus g on the right hand side. And that gives us b is equal to 2m minus g. So the correct answer in this case would be 2m minus g.